Let's understand why most of the people fail online or most of the people lose money online. This is not because they lack talent, but because no one ever discovers them at the right time. Today I'll show you the real reasons for this and also how to fix it. I welcome you to my channel, Wealth Insights for All. Let's proceed. What's happening? You do everything people tell you to do, post regularly, work hard, stay consistent, yet the results never come. Nothing happens. You know you have the value, but the world is not able to see it. There is silence. This silence hurts more than failure. And this is what majority people are facing today. Here is the truth nobody tells you. The internet is not crowded. It is simply confused. So the realization is that without the right signals, even the best ideas stay hidden. So all this reveals a wrong strategy. Why? Most people are guessing. They copy trending videos, they follow random advice. That's not strategy. That's just a gambling. So what's the missing link? Online income does not come from efforts alone. It comes from discovery at the right time. When the right person finds you, everything changes. How discovery works. This is where most creators are puzzled. Platforms don't guess, they follow data, and that data already exists. The search reveals the intent of people. Millions of people tell the internet exactly what they want every day. The question is, are you listening? Seeing the demand clearly is the matter of concern. This is where the AI online tools like SEMrush will come to our rescue. SEMrush does not create demand, it reveals the existing demand. So instead of shouting online, you simply show up where people are already looking for. When everything aligns, what does it mean? When your content matches the real searches, views grow naturally, trust builds faster, and income follows without forcing. So, what's needed is clarity, not guessing. This is not about hacking algorithms, it's about understanding the human intent. Once you do that, the internet starts working for you. So, these were SEMrush tools can help people. If you are tired of posting into silence, it's time to change the strategy because the world is already searching. The only question is, will they find you? This is the mind shift required as of now for the beginners. This message shall reach the right people at the right time. Share it if you liked it. Sharing is caring. Clarity grows when shared. Thank you. I am Balakrishna, a researcher and an educator, engineer, and an analyst. I shall be back soon with a new video. Thank you again.